Unlocking efficiency, how energy modeling tools enhance energy audits. In today's push for sustainability and cost efficiency, energy audits are essential for identifying energy waste and optimizing building performance. But a simple walkthrough audit often isn't enough. This is where energy modeling tools come in. These advanced software solutions provide in-depth analysis, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions that lead to substantial energy and cost savings. The role of energy modeling in audits. Energy modeling software simulates a building's energy performance based on factors such as weather conditions, occupancy patterns, HVAC systems, and lighting. By leveraging these tools, auditors can predict energy consumption, evaluate potential savings, and recommend cost-effective efficiency upgrades. For simple audits, spreadsheets and basic calculators may suffice. However, complex energy audits, such as those for large commercial buildings or industrial facilities, demand robust modeling tools like EnergyPlus and eQuest. Choosing the right energy modeling software. 1. EnergyPlus. The industry standard. Developed by the U.S. Department of Energy, EnergyPlus is a powerful open-source tool that performs whole building energy simulations. It accounts for HVAC system performance, renewable energy integration, thermal loads and weather impacts, advanced daylighting controls. This software is ideal for detailed simulations, making it a go-to for engineers and energy consultants tackling complex projects. Additionally, its ability to integrate with third-party software enhances its functionality, making it adaptable to various building types and scenarios. 2. eQuest, a user-friendly alternative. For those seeking a more accessible option without sacrificing accuracy, eQuest is an excellent choice. It offers a simplified interface with graphical input options, energy cost analysis, load calculations and retrofit evaluations, and integration with databases for benchmarking energy use. While eQuest may not be as intricate as EnergyPlus, it provides a balance of functionality and ease of use, making it suitable for professionals looking to streamline energy audits. Additionally, its ability to generate reports that align with industry standards makes it a preferred choice for energy auditors seeking reliable outputs. Why use energy modeling in your audit? 1. Improved accuracy. Energy modeling eliminates guesswork, providing precise energy consumption insights. 2. Scenario testing. Simulations allow users to test various efficiency measures before implementation. 3. Financial justification. Detailed reports help secure funding for energy efficiency projects. Regulatory compliance. Many sustainability certifications, such as LEED, require energy modeling as part of their evaluation criteria. Enhanced decision-making. With clear data-driven insights, building owners and facility managers can make well-informed choices that align with long-term sustainability goals. Final thoughts. Incorporating energy modeling tools into energy audits can revolutionize how businesses approach energy efficiency. Whether using EnergyPlus for its in-depth analytics or eQuest for a more streamlined process, leveraging these tools can lead to smarter energy strategies, reduced costs, and a more sustainable future. As technology continues to advance, the capabilities of these tools will only improve, making them an indispensable asset in energy auditing. Are you ready to take your energy audits to the next level? Start exploring energy modeling software today and unlock hidden savings in your buildings.